Nahele, what is that?
Look how much there's left now.
What is that? What'd you do? That's toilet paper, Nahele. Oh, you blew your nose with that one little square? You did the boogers? No more?
That girl's crazy. Don't listen to her camera. Don't listen to this girl. She is a weird girl. So do not listen to that girl. She throws away your lollipop sticks too. Isn't that weird? Yeah, I know.
Now down to the hairpin again. Plato doesn't have to be quite as defensive this time. Is there a nudge? Oh, it's tight. She might have just touched him that time. Yeah, there was definitely a touch there. Now, well, that's actually let Plato get away. Matt backed out of that, so as not to spin him round. There's less spin
around till the bird.
Plato sprints away.
Because it's the tallest bird.
Because there was a chance to clap.